Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Ford Ranger lights. We'll cover understanding automatic functions, locating the control knob, and learning manual override procedures. You'll also discover how to address common light-related issues, ensuring you have full control over your vehicle's lighting system. This guide will help you manage your lights effectively and avoid draining your battery. Your Ford Ranger often has automatic headlights that turn on when it gets dark. The main control knob for your lights is typically located on the dashboard, to the left of the steering wheel. You can rotate this knob to select various settings. The auto position allows your vehicle to manage the headlights for you based on ambient light conditions. To manually turn off your headlights, rotate the control knob to the off position. Be aware that there's usually a separate setting for parking lights, which illuminate only specific exterior lights. Always double-check that all lights are completely off when you park your vehicle to prevent battery drain. The dashboard indicator lights will confirm your current light status. If your lights aren't behaving as expected, first verify the control knob's position. Sometimes, a simple adjustment is all that's needed. If issues persist, you might need to check for a blown fuse, which can affect specific lighting circuits. Always refer to your Ford Ranger's owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps and diagrams. Remember to turn off your lights to preserve your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.